Welcome to Prince Math Clinic, the e-learning solution at your pace and time.
Good day, viewers. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you once again to class today, and we will be considering the area and volume of composite shape. But before we go into composite shape, it will be very unfair not to deal with what I have on the board, because actually a composite shape is a solid that is formed when two or more simple shapes merge together. Now, the area and volume of such shape can be found by adding the respective area and volume of the shapes in question. We can see that we have a sphere here. What's a sphere? A sphere is a shape that looks like a ball or an orange, or even the earth itself is a sphere, right? And a sphere is a solid bounded by all points that are at a given distance from a fixed point. That fixed point is actually the center of the sphere. If I bring an orange here, I can dissect the orange in such a way that it goes through the center and it divides in such a way that the sphere is bigger than the circle itself. And experimentally, it has been discovered that the sphere is actually 4 times the area of a circle. On the other hand, an hemisphere, from the word hemi, simply means half. So an hemisphere is simply half of a sphere. So let's go right into the formulas involved in spheres and hemisphere. For the area of a sphere, the area is given by 4 pi r square. Remember, I told you that the area of a sphere is 4 times the area of a circle. Then the area of an hemisphere, since the hemisphere is half of a sphere, just divide this by 2. So you get 2 pi r squared. Then the volume of a sphere is given by what? 4/3 times pi r cube. That is the volume of a sphere. Then for an hemisphere, the volume of an hemisphere, just divide this by 2 again. You get 2/3 pi r cube. Then you now come to a cone. A cone, the area of a cone is simply pi r l, while the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r square h. We need all these formulas in dealing with the area and the volume of composite shape. Remember, I told you that to find the area and volume of solid shape, right, or composite solid shape, we need to know the individual area or volume of those shapes. Then we merge them together. For instance, in this diagram, you have a cone on top, then you have an hemisphere under. So if you are to find the total surface area of this shape, it will be the area of the cone plus the area of an hemisphere. And if you are to find the volume of this shape, it will be the volume of the cone plus the volume of an hemisphere. Now imagine if you have a shape such that at the bottom you have something that looks like an hemisphere, at the center you have something that looks like a pencil, then at the top you have something that looks like a cone. So you see that there are 3 shapes involved there. You have an hemisphere, a cylinder, and a cone. So the interesting part is that if you are to find the area of that shape, you need to first of all know the area of an hemisphere. You add it to the area of the cylinder, then you add it again to the area of the of the cone. Likewise, if you are to do for volume, you look for the volume of the cylinder, you add it to the volume of the hemisphere, then you add it to the volume of the cone. Adding all of these together gives you either the area of the solid itself or the volume of the solid. In the next video, we are going to be considering examples, how it relates with composite shape. Thank you.